Hello everyone, this is me Maha, your English instructor from tutoria.pk. I hope you all are doing good and are in great spirits. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss book exercise for Unit 10, जिसका नाम है A World Without Books. Let's start the discussion of book exercise for Unit 10, जिसका नाम है A World Without Books, and we'll discuss internal questions first. So first internal question is, can modern technology take the place of books? Answer: no, modern technology cannot take the place of books. It is always thought that the latest technology signals the demise of the book. It can't happen because books are themselves a form of technology that is spread over the pages and make us delve into the complexities of life. Next internal question is, why does the author use the terms fast food and slow food? Answer: author uses the term of fast food for print media like blogs, text messages, newspapers, magazines, and ebooks. He says, like fast food, these materials provide the readers with instant pleasure and gratification, but their effects fail to endure. On the other hand, reading books is compared with slow food because it provides with pleasure slowly, with the story moving to its conclusion slowly and gradually. Third internal question is, what role does a library play to promote the habit of book reading? Answer: writer says habit of reading books should be promoted, and this can be made easy by libraries. Libraries are the proof of any civilization's brilliance. Library consists of books on different topics which can guide people on different issues. Hence, such books entrust the people to read them, and in this way, habit of book reading can be adopted. Thank you.